Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, but I'm really excited about it. But I think I might be starting like a crafting series on here because I completely love arts and crafts and I've always been a super like artsy person. If you haven't already seen my Bob Ross painting tutorial, go give that a watch because I thought it was pretty good. So for today's project, I'm going to be putting together this like really cute shadow box as a gift with like flowers in it and like an initial. It is for one of my friends, but I figured I would just like make this a video, show you guys what I'm gonna do with it. But this one's gonna be with like fake flowers. These are the flowers that I have, and I think it's gonna be really cute. So if you're interested in seeing how to make your own one of these, even if it's just for your room or if it's for a gift for a friend, I think this would really help you out, you know? If you're interested in seeing how to make your own version of this, keep watching, and I hope you guys like the video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and let's get into the video.
All right, so here's my little crafting setup that I have set up. I have some sparkly paper that I'm gonna use to cut out that F that I have on my laptop screen. And this is just gonna be for the top of the frame. And then here I have some fake flowers. This is the bundle that I chose, and I picked these up actually at the dollar store. They have a whole bunch of different colors, different types of flowers, and I think they're really, really cute. So just check your local like dollar store and I'm sure they would have some. I also have a glue gun, glue sticks, a pencil, a Sharpie, an eraser, some scissors. And then this frame, this shadow box, I actually picked up from Michael's. I don't know if Michael's is just a Canadian thing, but Michael's is the ultimate crafting store. I love that store. I can get lost in there. It's beautiful. And I picked up this 9x9 shadow box, and it's from Studio Decor. And pretty much you can fill stuff inside of it, and it has like a fabric backing, so you can always like needle things through. Like they have these little needles in here that you can like pin stuff, so I think that's pretty cool. And then this is what the back looks like. So it's pretty much like a frame. You can take these out, take the backing out, and then put stuff in, close it back up, and then you can just hang it up on your wall or just put it on your table. So I think that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm just gonna start off by tracing out that F. And I want to make it like this big, sort of, so it can fit right in the middle. So I just like do it by sight, and I'm just using a pencil. That's pretty good. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna cut it out. That will be our F. I think that's pretty cute. All right, so I've gone on the floor now because I need more space in order for you guys to see. This thing does have a plastic seal on it, so we're just gonna take it off. All right, so here I'm just trying to figure out how the frame works, and there's actually this inner frame inside of it that pops out, and the glass is also removable as well. Color flowers, and we're just gonna cut off right at the base here. So this one just like came off there, so I'm assuming, yeah, you can just pull them off. And we're actually gonna use some of this greenery as well, which you can also just slide off like that. So some of these flowers actually have wire inside of them, so if you just twist them back and forth, they should just snap off. All right, so now it's just a matter of organizing it inside because they're gonna lay flat like that, and figuring out how we want it to look. Because then when you flip it, the flowers will sit inside. I think for the purpose of this, I'm just gonna take the glass out so we can actually figure out how to put the flowers in. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cute. So we're gonna glue it to this base. I'm gonna glue this one to the center. I'm just sprinkling a little bit of this glitter on top. So after putting the frame together for the first time, I noticed that there were just some things that I just wanted to adjust. So here I am just taking it apart a little bit and readjusting the flowers. And then I also ended up going back in with some glue just to put some of the petals down a little bit better. Now I'm just setting the F in place and figuring out where I want it, and then I'm just going to glue it down again with some hot glue.
And here is the final product. I'm super happy with it. Alright guys, so here is the final product. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I'm really excited about giving this to her. I hope she really likes it. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!